Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Tomarket's launch announcement. Key details for golden ticket holders and crypto enthusiasts. The wait is finally over. Tomarket, a fast-growing name in the crypto ecosystem, has officially confirmed exciting details about its $Toma token launch. Reserved opportunities, unique staking programs, and major exchange listings have positioned Tomarket as a platform that rewards early supporters and pioneers a community-driven approach. Here's everything you need to know. Golden ticket allocation, recognizing early supporters. Tomarket has reserved $5 billion Toma tokens, or 0.5% of its total supply, exclusively for golden ticket holders. This allocation is a gesture of gratitude towards early adopters who have shown faith in the platform. The news was shared through Tomarket's Telegram channel, emphasizing its transparency and community-first approach. By securing these tokens, golden ticket participants gain early access to one of the market's most promising crypto assets, paving the way for long-term growth and benefits. Pre-listing Turbo Pool, a unique staking opportunity. Ahead of the official Tomarket listing date on December 20, 2024, the platform is launching the Toma pre-listing Turbo Pool. This innovative staking program offers an excellent opportunity for token holders to grow their investments while supporting the network. Here are the details. Staking period. A fixed 14-day lock-in period ensures stability. Rewards. A generous 219% APY on staked Toma tokens. Bonus prize pool. A $10,000 reward in $APT tokens distributed among participants. It's important to note that once you stake your Toma in the Turbo Pool, early withdrawals won't be allowed. This ensures the integrity of the staking pool and rewards participants for their commitment. Tomarket Snapshot, the key to airdrop rewards. To qualify for the highly anticipated Toma airdrop, users must take part in the Tomarket Snapshot event, scheduled for December 19, 2024, at midnight UTC+8. During this snapshot, only wallets connected to Biget Wallet-like will be eligible to receive rewards. The process is streamlined to make claiming rewards hassle-free. Once the lock-in period ends, the $APT airdrop rewards will be distributed within 24 hours, ensuring participants are promptly rewarded for their engagement. Multiple listing dates on global exchanges. Tomarket is all set to go live on 3 major exchanges, offering users multiple ways to trade and invest in Toma. Biget, zero gas fees will be available for pre-deposits during the Toma pre-market phase, making it easier for traders to join the action. Gate.io, another globally recognized platform to access Toma. MEXC Exchange, expanding Tomarket's reach to a broader, global audience. With these listings, Tomarket is poised to attract a diverse user base, boosting the platform's visibility and liquidity. Toma Tokenomics, a community-centered approach. Tomarket's total supply of $1 trillion Toma tokens reflects a carefully designed tokenomics model that prioritizes fairness, inclusivity, and growth. By introducing unique pre-listing initiatives, staking rewards, and airdrops, Tomarket ensures that its early adopters and community members benefit the most. The golden ticket allocation, turbo pool staking, and airdrop incentives underline Tomarket's mission to create an ecosystem that rewards loyalty and supports long-term growth. These programs are designed to attract crypto enthusiasts while strengthening the platform's foundation. Why Tomarket stands out. Tomarket isn't just another token launch, it's a movement. By combining innovative staking options, transparent communication, and strategic exchange partnerships, Tomarket has created an opportunity for users to engage with the platform in meaningful ways. For traders, easy access to Toma through multiple exchanges with added benefits like zero gas fees during pre-market phases. For stackers, high APY rewards and bonus pools, ensuring value for long-term holders. For community members, airdrops and incentives that reward early participation and loyalty. Tomarket's commitment to fostering a transparent, community-driven ecosystem sets it apart in an increasingly competitive market. Get ready for the big day. With the official listing date of December 20th, 2024, just around the corner, now is the time to prepare. Whether you're a trader, investor, or crypto enthusiast, Tomarket's innovative initiatives promise something for everyone.